Hey guys, I was not able to find a way to, on any of the forums or any support, to be able to turn my cards from, uh, my desktop view into a swipeable, regular slider that looks like, cards here on the mobile view. So I went ahead and made it, myself, and so let me show you guys how I did that. So y'all can hopefully benefit from my many hours of trying to figure this out. Okay, so on my slider element, I set it to height auto on desktop, and just so I can see all my slides at one time. And each one of these cards is a slide, and I've got a card. The card itself, the background and everything, is an element within the slide. As you can see, it's set to height 100%, and it stretches and all that good stuff. And the slide is set to 33.33 so that I can get 3 up on a row. I went ahead and added some padding of 1.5% on either side, and some bottom margin of 3%, so that on desktop you have a nice evenly spaced distribution of the cards there. This is on the slide itself, each slide. Let me think if there's anything else. Let's see. Oh yeah, my slider mask is set to overflow visible. Got to do that in order to. Oh yeah, and just make sure you have it set to flex and stretch and everything, so that the content, so that each slide will be the height of the longest card. Anyway, if you go to mobile, you notice that the .nav is back. On desktop, I hid it, and I think I just removed or hid the arrows as well on desktop. Didn't want the arrows in this layout. So on my slider element, I added some bottom padding so that my .nav would show up there, and then added it back in. And then on the slide itself, I went from 33.3 to 100%, and then just increased the left and right padding just so it would look proportional. And you notice how you can see the next slide here, and you can't see the this part of the slide. The easy way I did that was just to take the card slider element, set it to 85% width, and center the element in the middle there. So that's that, and then let's see if there's anything else. The card is set, 100% wide. What else? Just make sure that card slider mask is set to overflow visible. I didn't need to have that on. Let's see, I think so the card slider mask needs to be set to block on mobile landscape. That's another thing. On desktop, it needs to be set to flex, so you can get the nice grid layout there. Alright, I think that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know here in the forum, or I'm going to post this on YouTube too, so in the comments.